Hi, welcome to the Smart Digital Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application. Tap on the share option. Here you will see the repost option. If you do not find it here, go back, open up the Play Store, search for TikTok, check if your TikTok is updated or not. If it is not updated, tap on update, go back, tap on settings option. You will see a list of options. Tap on apps, search for TikTok, tap on storage, clear data, go back, open up the TikTok application, tap on share. You will see the repost option, but if you still do not find the repost option, it's mean repost option is not available in your country. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, like, share and subscribe.